Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss about two-sum. First we'll try to understand what is two-sum means. Two-sum means we'll try to implement it in Java. Okay, two-sum means like given an array of integers, names and an integer target. So there will be an array will be given to us and as well as the target will be provided to us. So we need to find out in this array return indices of two numbers such that they add up the target. So we need to add two numbers so that it reaches the target. In this case, if you see, this is a given array 2, 7, 11, 15 and the target is 9. So if you see 2 plus 7 is 9, the output of this one will be 0 and 1 because our array starts from 0th element. So 0 and 1 is the answer for this. And if you see the second example here, the target is 6, 3 and 2, if you add up it gives 5, but if you see here 2 and 4 and add up it gives 6. So we need to return the indices of it. The indices of it is 0, 1, 2, so it is 1 and 2 we need to return. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, so there will be only one and only one solution for it. It's not like two solutions will not be there for it, and you may not use the same element twice. Same element twice in the sense, if you see here, we can't use 3 and 3 again. If you add 3 and 3, the output will be of like, we should not use the same element twice. And you can return the answer in any order. So the answer can be written like 2 and 1 or 1 and 2. It can be in of any order. Okay. First we'll try to implement in two ways. One is like looping through. We need to loop through it twice. Like we'll try to loop once, like 2 and 7 we'll check. We'll use the 2 for loops. 2 and 7, 2 and 11, 2 and 15, 7, 11, 7, 15. Okay, first we'll take one for loop which equal to 0 I less than nums dot I plus plus and one more for loop which starts from I plus 1. J should be less than nums dot length j plus plus. So here if nums of I plus nums of j equal to the target, then we can return an int array of I comma j. And if we did not find the solution, then we can return just an empty array of 2 and the size of 2 here. So here, like if you see this example, first if I equal to 0, like I will be 2 and j will be I plus 1, 7. So here we are comparing 2, we are adding up 2 plus 7 if it is equal to the target. Here the target is 9. So 2 plus 7 adds up to 9, so we'll return those I and j values 0 and 1. So we return 0 and 1. And the same way, if it is not like if for example if the target is 13, then we loop again 2 plus 11, so we'll return 0 and 1. So 0 and 2 here, not 1 if it is 13. Let's run this code once. think there is a compile error with a spelling mistake, I think here as well. Run this code. It should be int. Okay, let's submit this. Yeah, but if you see, it's like 49 milliseconds. It's like time consuming. It's O of n square because we are trying to loop twice. So we'll try to make it like O of n. Let us implement in other approach where we can improve our performance. Currently it's like 49 milliseconds, but yeah, it's still more when it's just a small input here. Still it got 49 milliseconds, so we'll try to do it in a different approach now, like creating an hash map. First we'll create a hash map of integer so in hash map we will try to store the complements of it and try to loop and check if we have seen that value before. Okay, so first we need to find the complement of it. Complement will be of target minus nums of I. So if, for example, if our hash map dot contains this key nums of I, then we found the value, then we can return our int array of hashmap dot get to get the value of it as well as the I. And to return this value, and the same way if we did not find, we can send a default array of 2. So here what are we doing is we are creating a hash map. In hash map we are trying to get the target. Here for example, if you see, the target is 9 here, so we are trying to subtract 9 minus 9 with 2. So 9 minus 2 will give the complement as 7. So if we will check that if we have this 2 before, if we have contains key, we'll need to check with contains key. Okay, if we have the key of this value of target is 9 minus 2 7, if we have the key of 7, then we'll return that indices of it. If it doesn't find it, then we add it into hash map. Hash map dot, if we did not find it, we need to add it into hash map. To add this complement as well as the I value of it. Let's run this code now. Line number 5, it says find the symbol hash map. Oh, here it's nice. Hash map. Let's run this again. Yeah, let's submit now. Yeah, you can see now it's only 1 millisecond, so it's faster than the previous solution which we have done. Looping through 2 times is O n square. Now this is just O of n, because just looping once and finding the complement of it, and if checking if the complement is present previously, not the complement, if that n of I, nums of I is there in our hash map previously, if it is there, then we can get the indices of it which was added previously and the current indices. Yeah, this is one of the other solution which is faster, O of n.